Website analytics can help your online business in a variety of ways. Nevertheless, you spend more time gathering data from various platforms than reviewing it, even if you know how to analyze all of it. As a result, choosing a solution that uses Google's scalable and secure Data Studio to bring your statistics to life and keep them automated is critical. With this in mind, we will present to you a fantastic lifetime deal on a platform that improves the way you can design better campaigns and analyze metrics across your marketing channels. So, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special price for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Meet 2-Minute Reports, a Google Sheets add-on that allows businesses to connect to many data sources to create unique dashboards and reports. Professionals can arrange automatic data transfers into Google Sheets and attach notices to emails as PDF or Excel files. TMR offers a straightforward platform for importing all your Google Sheets data into a single location. TMR enables the automatic summarization, filtering, construction of pivot tables, visualization, and combination of data. No more copying and pasting, nor importing CSV files. You will no longer have to import downloaded data into Google Sheets manually. 2-Minute Reports lets you visualize key business metrics with interactive, comprehensive reports that inform healthy business decisions. You'll analyze data and monitor real-time insights using interactive dashboards, creating monthly, weekly, daily, and even hourly reports that can be quickly shared with a link. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you'll centralize data to stay on top of what's going on with your business. Your site can be connected to Shopify, Google Ads, and Facebook Ads to create professional-looking reports that are detailed but digestible. You'll effortlessly blend metrics from different data sources to track all your important KPI and build reports on metrics like your cost per action, page visits, and purchases. Besides, you can tweak extra settings such as your attribution model and reporting type, so you have full control over how your data is reported. To access metrics that matter most to you right away, look no further than 2-Minute Reports Quick Start Templates. With a growing list of professional templates, you'll quickly generate deep insights that match your style and use case. You will be able to create your own report templates that can be easily repurposed for new clients. 2-Minute Reports gives you precise control over who has access to your reports and what permissions they have. You can share reports with internal or external stakeholders and grant users limited or full permissions to your interactive dashboards. You can even let viewers modify report dates and see data updates in real time. Plus, share reports in several ways, including links, embeds, automated emails, or downloadable and password-protected PDF. Are you interested in getting this software? You can get a lifetime deal for this platform for only $69, just by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.